Jailed for life! Meghan Markle in tears as Prince Harry to rot in jail after legal case backfires big time. Hello everyone, today, we're diving deep into the complex and tense relationship between King Charles III and Prince Harry. With recent reports shedding light on King Charles's fears of legal jeopardy and Harry's ongoing legal battles, it's clear the bond between father and son faces unprecedented challenges. From Harry's demand for security to their strained phone calls, let's unravel this royal drama and explore what's really at stake. According to a recent royal book, King Charles is extremely cautious about getting involved in Prince Harry's legal case over security protection in the UK. This caution stems from the potential legal implications if he were to intervene, especially given his role as both the head of state and the judiciary. As revealed in Robert Hardman's biography, Charles III, New King, New Court, The Inside Story, Charles fears that even a casual conversation with Harry could be misconstrued in court, potentially putting him in a vulnerable position. An advisor has reportedly warned King Charles about the risks involved. Imagine this: if Harry claimed, "My father said this," it could lead to catastrophic legal complications. The advisor's concern is that even a minor conversation could be twisted, putting the king in an awkward, and possibly compromising, legal and constitutional position. Since leaving his role as a working royal in 2020, Harry has waged a legal battle with the Home Office over his security protection while in the UK. Harry believes his status warrants a security detail similar to what he had before his departure, citing safety concerns for himself and Meghan Markle. However, when Harry stepped back from his royal duties and moved to California, his level of security changed drastically, much like any non-working member of the royal family. The ongoing legal struggle has caused a significant rift between Harry and his father. Despite Harry's firm belief that his father could reinstate his security, sources insist that King Charles has no constitutional power to interfere. If he were to attempt such an intervention, it could become a major constitutional crisis, which Charles, as king, is keen to avoid. The tension between father and son became especially apparent on the day of Queen Elizabeth II's passing. Prince Harry, hoping to be with his grandmother in her final moments, was informed that his wife Meghan was not invited to Balmoral. Harry, who had been preparing to travel to Scotland with Meghan, was reportedly shocked by this exclusion. Reflecting on the event in his memoir Spare, Harry described a heated exchange with his father, where Charles explained that no other wives would be coming to Balmoral. In his memoir, Harry recounted the moment with deep frustration. He remembered his father saying, "Kate wasn't coming, no other wives were coming. Therefore, Meg ought not to." In response, Harry recalled how he stood his ground, telling his father, "Don't ever speak about my wife that way." Sadly, by the time Harry arrived in Scotland, his grandmother had already passed, leaving him with a painful memory of missed goodbyes. Recent reports suggest that King Charles has even been advised to avoid taking Harry's calls to keep his own stress levels in check. While it may sound cold, it highlights the complex reality of their relationship. According to royal insiders, King Charles is under immense pressure, particularly following the public attacks on the firm by Harry and Meghan. The advice he's received aims to protect him from the emotional strain that these family conflicts bring. A glimpse of hope appeared in February last year when Harry made a brief return to the UK after learning about his father's health concerns. Although the two shared a short meeting at Clarence House, this encounter did little to resolve the underlying tensions. While Harry expressed gratitude for the time he spent with his father, reports later revealed that King Charles had chosen not to answer Harry's calls or messages, citing the need to maintain his focus on royal duties without additional stress. Sources say that Queen Camilla was less than pleased with Harry's recent visit to King Charles, feeling it disrupted the king's routine and possibly caused unnecessary strain. Her reaction reflects a growing sense of frustration within the royal family towards Harry's ongoing grievances and public disclosures. Camilla, who has taken on a supportive role for King Charles, sees Harry's actions as disruptive, particularly given the sensitivity surrounding Charles's health and the pressures of the throne. Camilla's feelings mirror those of other senior royals who are increasingly frustrated by the Sussexes' actions. Her loyalty to Charles and her own position within the family add another layer of complexity to this ongoing family rift. For Harry and Meghan, their decision to leave royal duties and move to California marked a new beginning, but also initiated a period of strained family relations. From the Oprah interview to the release of Spare, and even their Netflix documentary, each step has widened the gap between the Sussexes and the rest of the royal family. These highly publicized actions have reportedly made reconciliation more challenging, particularly for King Charles, who, as king, now faces the delicate task of balancing family concerns with national responsibilities. While some may still hope for a reconciliation, insiders believe that the current environment is simply too charged for meaningful progress. The counsel Charles has received, to keep a distance from Harry for now, illustrates the seriousness of the situation. Royal author Robert Hardman has noted that given King Charles's position, now is likely not the time to mend fences with Harry. There are lingering questions about whether the two will ever reconcile or if this rift will continue indefinitely. As it stands, King Charles is focused on preserving his stability, while Harry is firm in his pursuit of autonomy and the security he believes his family deserves. So there you have it, another chapter in the complex and turbulent relationship between King Charles and Prince Harry. With both sides standing firm on their stances, it's uncertain if or when we'll see any reconciliation. What are your thoughts on this royal rift? Will the father and son ever make amends, or is the damage too deep? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more royal updates. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you soon.